Click on the installation package. Start installation. Click on the APP, enter the application, register an account, and log in. Search for printers and connect. Select model to print. Select image to upload. Adjust to appropriate size for printing. Confirm printing. Printing. Up and down temperature arrives 120 C. Place mold into the machine. Heat for 10 seconds. Next step, put the phone case. Inside, heat for 10 seconds. Put printed pictures into the platform. Continue, press start. Button machine 3 seconds vacuum working now. The process does 300 seconds. Finish work. The machine will beep. You can open the machine cover and take out case. Phone case shows.